Welcome back, my fellow DIYers. I'm Omar, and this is GATKKOR DIY. Help support the channel by hitting that subscribe button below. Give us a thumbs up, and please, if you like the video, give us a comment. Let us know how you feel. What do you think about the entire video? So, you know what? Hey, Buster, let's roll that sweet intro. How about that? Let's go. Thank you. It's a beautiful morning, a little breezy. Got the mango trees swaying in the wind. Anyway, good morning there, fellow DIYers. It's another beautiful day. We accomplished quite a bit in the last couple of days or so. So from where it was to what it is now, we have knocked out quite a bit. And I'm here to show you, we've done the floors, we did the shower stall, and we did the tiling for the floor. So with no further ado, let me show you what I did in the last 2 days. A lot of cutting and a lot of mastic on the floor. Looks pretty good to me. I'm satisfied with it. So hopefully you guys like the results, and kind of gives you the energy and the excitement to do a couple of things yourself. So here we go. Let me show you what's going on. We went with this is porcelain tile. It looks a lot like wood, and so that's what we went throughout the whole bathroom with. As far as the floor, we did the cutout around the flange, the toilet flange, and we did the inside of the shower stall here. And that's where we are so far. So today is going to be a lot more. We're getting ready to start putting the tiles on the walls, and we're going to try to do all of this today, all the way up above here. Come on back down and run along this wall. So we put one on last night. I put one on just to see, if it hangs there and how it look. And I'm liking it. My dad loves it, so this is what he wanted. Kind of a rustic floor look. He wanted that those wide plank look, but they're actually porcelain tiles. And yeah, he's digging it, so let's keep trucking, let's keep going. And I'm going to give you an update later on today. We're going to see how much we accomplish, and let me know. Don't be scared to do it, guys. Just do it. Get it done. More, my DIYers. So what we got going this morning is what I would call Christmas Day. And the reason why I say it's Christmas Day is the tiling is completed. We're grouting the floors and the walls right now. And we're assembling all the accessories that's gonna go in the bathroom. Toilets, vanity, everything. Shower heads, all that stuff. So I'm putting together all that stuff right now so we could go ahead and install them once we're done. And I'm pretty happy about the results. It's not, like I say, It's not a professional contractor. It's just regular DIYers doing a thing. And I think everyone should give it a shot. And you might be surprised. I think you'd be much happier with yourself, and you won't have to complain about a contractor doing stuff that you didn't like. If you don't know, like they say, Google it. You know what I mean? So it's a lot of stuff out there on YouTube. So just go ahead and give it a shot, guys. I'm gonna show you a couple of things right now that I'm putting together. So it's not that bad, pretty simple. So here we go. Like I said, this is what we got going. We got the vanity right here, the faucet. That's the whole vanity assembly. So that's the cabinet. That's the top, and this is the shower glass that we have going in there. It's a big piece of glass, tempered glass, very, very heavy. Here we go. We got all the shower assembly here, the shower handle, the shower head, the drain. That's the drain cover. It's one of those adjustable drain. I think everyone should get one of those. You're putting in new floors. It's really easy to put in. It's a two-piece setup, and it comes with an adjustable pipe, so you can adjust the height to kind of fit with the floor before you grout everything and set everything in. So this is the typical toilet paper holder, towel rack, face towel holder, and yes, this is what we have here is the toilet assembly. Everything comes apart, so and it's putting it together. So it's Christmas Day, boys, and for me it is Christmas Day because it's been 3 solid weeks of non-stop work, and we get to put all the finishes in and see what it looks like. In a little bit, I'm going to show you the shower and let you see exactly how far we've come. All right, this is what I was talking about. This is the finished project of the tiling. Since we've started it, we just got done. It's a little bit dirty from the, putting on the grout and everything. Gonna be cleaning up and everything. Ooh, sunlight. But this is it. This is where the toilet is gonna sit. Remember, all of this was unlevel, and to pour new concrete and everything right here, new flange, everything's in, tile all the way around in this area, and down this wall here, and on the way out, this is where our the basin is going to be sitting. There's a lot of sunlight coming in, apologize for that. This is the finished shower stall right here. There we go. All the way up, like I said, we were going to go way above the shower head right there. The valve and everything. A little wall right here to keep your water in. Like I told you, this big piece of glass going to come right here. Okay. So once we're all done, then I'll show you guys the finished product. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to clean up a lot of this with the grout. Make a mess all over the wall, wipe everything down. I was trying to get some of it out over here. Tell the difference here versus over there. Yes. Even on the floor here, we still got a lot of little pieces we got to clean up. So, this is it, guys. The DIYer's dream. Well, it's my dad and I's dream, so. We like it. This is covered from 1982. Now it's 2020, and this is it. Hope you guys like it. let's start putting everything in, and once we're done, you'll see the finished product. Let's get it done. Hey guys, thanks for watching the last couple of videos. Hopefully you enjoyed it. What I'd love for you guys to do is to hit that thumbs up button, like, share, and down here in the corner, just hit that subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button so we could keep going, okay? Hopefully you guys have a wonderful day, and look out for the next video. This one that's coming up is the actual completion of the entire bathroom. So look out for the next video coming soon. Remember, subscribe, like, share, and leave comments. Let me know how you guys feel and what do you think about the video. Thanks for watching. Thanks.